Hi, I'm glad you joined me on this cost segregation tour. Let's walk through what your experience will look like when you're working with us. First things first, let's schedule a call with one of our knowledgeable project coordinators. Here we will introduce you to the team, review the process with you, and establish a timeline for your cost segregation study. Next, we'll walk you through a checklist of items that we'll need to get from you before we can start your study. It's important that we get this information up front and quick so that your study can be completed accurately and on time. Once we've gathered all the necessary documents, it's time for your property inspection. This is an important visit, which generally takes about an hour. During the visit, the inspector will be collecting information about your property and building components. Our inspection team will be reaching out to you to schedule the inspection on a date and time that works best for you. Once the visit is complete and all documentation is gathered, our engineering team goes to work evaluating all depreciable costs that qualify and get you the maximum benefits from your property. Our team will then reach out to you with a preview of the results. To provide the final report, our team will request that you or your CPA confirm the asset information that was used as part of your study. Once we receive your confirmation and final payment, we will provide the final report. The report contains tax schedules, detailed engineering, and a breakdown of the assets used in the study. That's it. You're done. We're excited to work with you on your cost segregation project.